Let's come into child's pose.
And let's keep taking a few deep breaths in the back of our chest and the lower back. Very good. Now staying in child's pose, press both your hands firmly into the mat. And let's start sliding forward, slowly taking our head and shoulders towards the hands to come down onto the mat. Then keeping your hands on either sides of the shoulders, let's get into Bhujangasana, the Cobra pose. So as you inhale, extend the torso up to come into Bhujangasana. So keep your elbows tucked in and your shoulders roll back so that they are away from your ears. Look up diagonally and let's stay here for a breath and come down. And we are going to do this once more. Again, inhale, extend the torso up to come diagonally up. Keep pointing your toes back, pressing the tops of the feet onto the mat. Keep the glute muscles engaged so that you don't hurt your lower back. One more breath and then slowly come down and relax. Bring both your hands in front, one on top of each other, and you can rest your forehead on that in Makarasana. Then take both your hands back and tuck them below your thighs. Bring the chin to the mat and bring both the legs together. And we are going to do Ardha Salabhasana now. As you inhale, start raising the right leg straight up, keeping the knees straight. Take it as high as possible. Let's stay for a breath and come down. And let's do it for the left leg. Take a deep breath in and take the left leg up. Keep the knees straight and down. And let's do it 2 more times for each leg. Inhale right and down. Inhale left and down. Keep the glute muscles engaged. Try to take the leg as high as possible without bending the knees. And last time on the left side. And down. Bring the hands forward and relax in Makarasana. Salabhasana is great for strengthening the lower back and preventing any lower back related issues. Let's take one more deep breath and then slowly come up. Then extend both your legs in front. Bend the left knee and bring the left foot at the base of the right thigh. Look forward and we are going to do Janu Shirshasana now. So straighten your spine, and as you inhale, extend both the arms up, and as you exhale, start bending forward. Now here, try to keep your spine long, and even if you're just halfway there today, it's perfectly fine. Try to bend from your hips, keeping the spine long. Try to keep the right foot flexed so that the toes point towards you. And let's stay here in Janu Shirshasana for 3 deep breaths. With every inhale, elongate the spine. And with every exhale, go a tiny bit forward if you can. Again, inhale, elongate. Exhale, go forward. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, go forward. Breathing into the nice stretch in the back of the right leg. And slowly come up. Let's switch side and do it for the other side. Bend the right knee. Inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, start bending forward to come into Janu Shirshasana. Keep the left foot flexed. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, fold forward. Very good. Last time. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, fold forward. And slowly come back up. Very good. Let's just bring both the feet together to come into Baddha Konasana, the butterfly pose. As you inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, bend forward, feeling a nice stretch in the inner thighs. Another great and simple pose just for stretching the groin area and improving overall reproductive health. And slowly come up. Very good. We'll end with a short deep breathing practice. So let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into the mat. Elongate your spine and roll the shoulders back. Bring one hand onto your abdomen and the other hand on your chest. And let's start taking a few deep breaths. With the next breath, as you inhale, feel your belly expanding out, and as you exhale, the belly softens and goes in. Again, inhale, expand the belly out like a big balloon, and as you exhale, the belly softens and goes in. Again, inhale, expanding the belly. Exhale slowly, the belly goes in. Now with the next breath, as you inhale, first your belly expands out, and as you inhale a bit more, feel the chest also expanding out. As you exhale, the chest softens and then the belly goes in. Again, inhale deeply, expanding the belly, followed by the chest. Exhale slowly, the chest softens, followed by the belly. Keep going on. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Bring both your hands to your knees in Chinna Mudra, keeping your eyes closed. And we'll end with 3 Om chants. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Slowly bring your hands over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. I'll see you with a new video soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.